friends, Miss Del Grande here. Today we're going to be working on another worksheet about the app word family. So you need to get this worksheet out of your packet, a pencil, scissors, and you will also need some glue. So go ahead, pause your video and go get that. Okay, now that you're back, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is be reading and writing the words at the top. All right. Oh, you know what? Before we do that, you know what I need you to do? I need you, before we start, to cut all of these pictures out. Okay? So go ahead, cut these pictures, pause your video, and cut all of these pictures out. Okay? All right, friends. So I cut my pictures out. And I have them right here. Okay? And let's get started. So let's start, and we're going to read this first word here. And remember, when we read, we use our reading finger, and we're going to say the sounds. So let's say it together. App. Cap. Now you do it. Very good. App. Cap. All right, very good. So let's look at our pictures. Which one of these pictures is a cap? You see it? I see it. This one? So this one goes here. And I'm just going to set it there for right now. Okay. First thing I want you to do, though, is trace the word cap. And then write it. When you're done doing that, you may pause your video and glue the cap on your paper. Okay, good job. Let's move on to the next one. Put your finger here, and let's say the sounds and segment this word. Say them with me. App. App. Map. Map. So this word is map. Which one of these pictures is a map? Did you pick this one? That one's the map. There you go. All right, so let's trace and write map, and then you can glue. Okay, pause your video if you need to glue the map on. All right, so this next word here, let's segment it. Say the sounds. Z, app. Z, app. Zap. Zap. All right, so this is kind of a hard one with the picture. So when something gets zapped, It's like when we have electricity and we go zap and we go ooh. So if we look at this, it's this one right here. Okay, so this is the picture for zap. All right, so we're going to trace it and write it and glue it. Pause your video if you need to. All right, so let's look at this next one. This one's kind of a harder one. It has 4 letters and they make 4 sounds. All right, so I'll do it first and you just listen. App. And the T and the R, they work together so they almost sound like one sound. App. Trap. 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 Okay, so do it with me. App. Trap. Say trap. Trap. Okay. So, this is the picture of a trap. Okay, so we'll put that one there. Okay, and go ahead and trace, write, and glue for me. Pause your video if you need to. Okay, and this is our last word. Let's see if you guys can do this one by yourself. Okay, all right, let's try it. I'll do it with you this time. Gap. 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 Okay, on the last worksheet that we did together, we talked about how if there's a space between your teeth, it's called a gap. So a space between two things. And in this picture, if we look at it closely, there's a space here between the two pieces of land. So if you step right here, you'd fall through, okay? So you have to step over. So that's a gap right here. This is a gap. All right, so you're going to trace, write, and glue, and you are all done. All right, and then come back and we'll finish. Okay, my friends, so let's read these words. Can we say cap, map, zap, trap, gap? And you know what? These words rhyme. They do. Cap, map, zap, trap, gap, cap. They all rhyme. And that's because they all have app in them. They're part of the app family. All right, another fantastic job today, my friends. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.